hey, they want to talk to you. Your guides want to guide you. Your departed loved ones want to let you know they didn't really die, and they want to help you to heal. They want to make this easy for us, but we tend to make things complicated. So here's how to receive messages from Spirit using the simple method for powerful communication. So I have 3 simple and powerful exercises that you can use on how to receive messages from spirits. And near the end, there's a add-on technique that's going to make this more powerful as well as more practical for you. So before getting into the simple method for spirit communication, there's a couple things that you need to know. One, you need to be out of your thinking mind and more in your spirit mind in order to connect with and get messages from spirit. We all know that like energy links in with like energy. So if we're in our thinking mind, then we're cut off from our higher selves. So all that means is practice meditation and presence or mindfulness daily. And then the second thing is to learn how to do this prerequisite technique, which is simple heart sensing. So the first thing is you get very present, feel your breath, feel your body and the space around your body, then feel your heart opening in appreciation, gratitude, and love. And consciously feel your heart, and then feel your heart energy expanding, and consciously feel your body with your heart, and feel the space around your body with your heart. And then once you're there, then call on the spirit, and without thinking about it, where is your spirit guide or your spirit loved one, to your left or to your right? Now this may take a little bit of practice, but keep doing this. So again, get very present, open your heart, feel your heart expand, feel your body with your heart, feel your auric fields around your heart, and feel where the spirit is. It may seem like you're making it up, but that's okay. Just feel with your heart and just know where the spirit is, and that's the first part. So the next exercise, or the first exercise, is once you feel the connection to spirit. Now you may know who you're with, you may not know who you're with, it doesn't matter. You can ask, who are you, and trust everything that you get. Once you're in your spirit mind and you're not in your thinking mind, when you put an intention out there, spirit will answer. They want to make this easy, so trust what you get. So once you're very relaxed, you feel your spirit, then get a word and write the word down, whatever it is. It might be ecstatic, or it might be lemons, but whatever it is, write that word down and then meditate on the word and then feel your spirit around you. And then once you have that, just without thinking about it, just write more about that word. In other words, lemon, how does the word lemon make me feel? I'll write that down. It makes me feel sour. It makes me feel like I want to get up and go. It makes me feel like that there's a lady named Mary on the other side that's with my spirit loved one. Just keep getting it and make it a stream of consciousness thing. Like, in other words, try not to take breaks, try not to think about it, just let it flow. If we can get out of our thinking mind and we can get more in our intuition, it's more of a flow. So once you write the word down, just let it come, keep writing, don't think about it, just keep letting it come. So that's number 1. I decided to actually do this during the break, so I'm going to read to you the message that I got. So I got the word power, or empower, I got the word empower, and the guide that I work with, the master teachers, came through, and another guide that I called John came through, and the message I got is, we are with you, and see that there are 3 important people you will meet in the next few months who will assist you in increasing your reach through offers and through their influence. We are helping you at this time to prepare now by working with your solar plexus and your throat chakras for greater courage and higher levels of communication. You are receiving through the heart center, and this will bring your energy to the next level. Prepare by simply increasing your spiritual practices and expecting miracles. And as you know, the more you heal, the stronger a healer and the stronger manifester you will be. So that was just a simple, quick message that I got. Now, this method will work with connecting with your spirit guides, with the angels or archangels, your animal guides, or those that have crossed over. And when messages come directly from spirit, there's no fear, there's no anxiety, there's only a feeling of love. The message will come through. If it's a challenging message, there'll always be messages After that, giving you affirmative action or choices for affirmative action. So there's never any doom or gloom. Sometimes they'll talk about challenges, but they'll always give you information on how you can move through those challenges, because we learn and grow through challenges. So anyway, the second exercise, the exact same thing, but instead of a word, once you connect with your spirit, get a color. Whatever color comes to you, yellow, blue, green. So you just clear your mind, open your heart, connect with your spirit, ask for a color, trust the first thing you get, and then visualize that color in your mind and just start writing. And don't stop. And if you do, take a break, take a deep breath, reconnect with the color, and write some more. It doesn't have to make sense, just keep writing. Practice makes perfect. It may feel awkward at first, but in time you're going to get it. And the third one is, get to that same place where you're connected to your spirit and ask for them to give you a song. And whatever song you hear or whatever song that comes to you, that is what you work with. So you hear the song, and then again, you just keep writing it out. So to make this a more practical exercise for you, well, first, let me invite you to like this video so we can help get this out to more people. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel and more of our videos will show up on your home page. And we have an inner core group called Spirit Mind Family where we dive deeper into things like this, and we do frequency channeling for rapid and safe spiritual awakening. That's called Spirit Mind Family. There's information on the pinned comment for that. I want to share a variation that you can use also. Firstly, to make this more practical, before you go and just think of a question, what do you want? What answers do you want from Spirit? Get a question very clear in your mind, and then just do it. Once you're in, don't think about the question. The spirit already knows. Once you set the intention, Spirit already knows. You go into this one of these three variations of the exercise, and then see what comes out. Then when you're looking at what you're writing, you might see what they're trying to say. And sometimes you can read what you're writing and then go back into the channel, call them back, and get more information based on that. But I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. And another variation that you can use, instead of doing this as a writing exercise or what we call automatic writing, where you just allow Spirit to write through you, you can do this as a voice channeling exercise. So in other words, you do the same steps, you connect with the Spirit, you open up, you get the word, the color, the song, whatever you're working with, but then have like a voice recorder and just talk instead of write, and just keep talking and just keep talking. If you stop, just take a deep breath and then just let it be a stream of consciousness. As long as you keep talking, Spirit's going to keep inputting more information. So practice those. Let me know in the comments how that's working for you and any questions that you have. And over here, we'll post a video for you with another powerful way of communicating that's going to actually help to make this technique work better for you. So here's the next video for you. I love you, and we'll see you at the next one. Namaste.